Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to drag a tab from one Chrome window to another screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, before you can start moving tabs around, you'll need to make sure that both Chrome windows are using the same Chrome profile or account. This is important because Chrome needs to recognize both windows as part of the same browsing session. If they're on different profiles, the drag and drop functionality won't work as smoothly, so take a moment to verify that you're logged into the same account on both windows. Now, let's get to the actual tab dragging process. Locate the tab you want to move in your first Chrome window. This could be any tab, whether it's a web page you're working on, a video you're watching, or a document you need to reference. Once you've identified which tab you want to transfer, simply click on that tab with your mouse and hold down the click. Don't release it yet, you need to keep holding it down for the next step. While still holding down your mouse button, drag the tab away from its current position. You'll notice the tab visually detaches from the tab bar as you move it. Now move your cursor over to the second Chrome window where you want to place this tab. Drag it specifically to the tab bar area at the top of that second window. You'll see a visual indicator showing where the tab will land once you release it. This makes it easy to position the tab exactly where you want it among your other open tabs. Once you've positioned the tab in the right spot on the second window's tab bar, simply release your mouse button. The tab will instantly snap into place in the new window, and you'll see it appear alongside the other tabs that were already open there. The page remains active and doesn't reload, so you won't lose any progress or have to wait for it to load again. Then that's it. You've successfully moved a tab from one Chrome window to another, making it easier to organize your workflow across multiple screens. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.